everybody, and welcome to Heritage Ford here in Corydon, Indiana. I am product specialist. My name is David Hinote. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the 2023 Ford Explorer Timberline, which is called Timberline because this is designed for rugged terrain, not necessarily off-roading, but it's a lot more rugged. You've got skid plates, front, back, undercarriage, steel to protect the underneath. And if you notice in the front here, you've got tow hooks. And it does come with LED headlights, LED fog lights, and they're auto dimming lights. So when somebody comes up to you, they will automatically dim. It's got the large, oversized 18-inch wheels with black aluminum rims. One other thing, it's got the roof racks, plus it has a twin panoramic sunroof. And it also has heavy-duty suspension, sway bar control, and you've got a Class 4 trailer hitch with all your wiring hookups. You've got your reverse sensors right here. You've got your rear view backup camera. And this is four-wheel drive. And one nice feature back here is your tailgate, automatic. An automatic closing. Now let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, now let's come up front here and we can go through some of the features that we have. This also has a keyless entry pad mounted on the door. So you just put in a code. All your controls are local. You don't have to reach very far to get to them. And this also does have USB and both type of charging ports for Android and iPhone, plus a charging pad where all you have to do is lay your phone down on there and it'll automatically charge it for you. And this is auto start and stop as long as you have your key fob on you or just laying in the compartment here. You push the button to start and stop it. Your drive modes are right here. You change it right on the dash right here. Plus, here is your flat shifter anymore. All this, your park, drive, everything just done by turning the knob. And then you have all your other features, your cruise control. This does have Sirius radio that you get for a short period of time. Plus, you also have these little pads right here. Plus and minus. That's to change your driving experience. So it kind of makes it almost like a manual transmission. And it does have dual air and heat. So you got dual climate control. Let me fire it up for you here. All you do is put your foot on the brake, push the button. And it does come with navigation. And also with the reverse sensors, once you put it in reverse, you'll see how your screen changes. Not only just reverse, but it will also show you side to side when you're backing up, which is really nice. Go back to park, and it goes back to that screen, which is your navigation. Then here are your controls for your sunroof. Like I said, it's a dual panel. Which is very nice being that big because the people that are sitting in the back, they get the advantage of a sunroof also. All right, in the back, you notice here you've got your climate controls, plus you have your different power outputs, 110, 12 volt. And the seating back here, this vehicle seats 7 adults comfortably. These seats do have armrests, which makes them really nice. And they do come with the orange stitching in them, which is a nice decorative feature. And these seats do fold down completely. And they come up. And they do go back and forth just for your comfort, see how comfortable you can be. And these also have the automatic, your rear seats back here are totally automatic. And you can do one at a time, depending upon how much room you need. Plus those seats up there will fold completely down. And you do have speakers, large speakers in the back. You've got 12-volt power points. Plus one nice feature is they put tie downs in the back, which is really nice because things do tend to fly around. So you do have a very large cargo space in this vehicle. And once again, automatic closing and then automatic locking also if you want to lock it once it gets closed. So let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. All right, let's go for a little short test drive here. Because one thing I do want to show you is the acceleration that it has, which is really excellent. And plus how stable it is on your sharp turns. Plus the ride on these vehicles anymore is so smooth. And this does come with it's called Ford Pass. When you sign up for that, it's an app on your phone. What that does is you automatically get so many points which can be used for oil changes or any other thing you need. Plus you get points for stuff you buy, whether it's tires, batteries. And another awesome feature is with this Ford Pass, you can use your phone to remote start the vehicle, remote lock and unlock it, and you can do that all through your phone. And with the 10-speed transmission this has, it really makes her smooth. You can't even hardly tell when it's shifting. One thing this also does have is a heated steering wheel. All right, let's kick it up a little bit here. You can see that there's plenty of acceleration. You've got enough speed to get you out of getting on the highway, on the interstate. If you need to get out of somebody's way or just entering the interstate. And what I want to do now is take you through a few turns here, show you how it hugs the road. Does a very nice job. And that ends our test drive for today. And if you have any questions, we've got a good selection of these right now in stock. So if you want to contact us here at Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana, come by and set up an appointment or just come in for a test drive. And we'd love to help you out. Have a great day, and thank you.